How do you feel after your vision storm? A little excited? A little nervous? A little of both? Big dreams challenge us to grow beyond what's ordinary to become extraordinary. That's what a heroic quest is all about. At the start of a video game, your character does not have all the abilities, tools, and experience they may need. They pick things up as they go. But fortunately for you, you also have life experience, those pearls of wisdom that you bring with you. Everything you've learned, every challenge you've overcome, every moment that shaped you and brought you to this moment, right now, are stepping stones toward your greatness. You may be starting something new, but you're not starting from scratch or alone because you have this system. Consider the knowledge, skills, abilities, and lessons you've already gained. So now that you've created a canvas of your dreams, what next? Now we'll add vibe checks to your dreams. This will help us later to zero in on the one dream that you'll take up as your 55-day quest. For each dream, select the vibe the dream is giving. Don't overthink it. Just go with your gut vibe for each one. Do you feel on fire about a particular dream? If so, choose blazing passion or strong passion. If it's something you're curious about or motivated to explore, select good interest or mild interest. And if it's something you don't feel strongly about right now, select neutral. Once you've added vibe checks to your dreams, come back to this page and click next to move on to the next step, where you'll craft your heroic quest statement. Oh yeah, one more thing about vibe checks. Not only are we adding them to your dreams now, but once your shiny new main character Saga system is set up, you can also add vibe checks to tasks and self-reflections throughout your quest. It's a great way to gauge how aligned you feel to your quest.